Mowing your lawn is important to proper yard care, and the cosmetic improvements are immediate. But there are also other benefits associated with proper lawn maintenance. Each time you cut your grass, you pave the way for your lawn's future success. With correct mowing, your lawn grows healthy, drought-tolerant, and crowds out weeds. Also, mowing actually eliminates some of your lawn's natural pests. Water and fertilizer are absorbed by growing grass, and by maintaining a short, uniform level, all the growth gets equal nutrition. When grass is cut, the healthiest shoots benefit, ensuring a healthy lawn. Plus, the cut grass composts, helps to fertilize the lawn, and revitalizes the soil. Mowing keeps everything fresh, green, and healthy, and does a whole lot more than present a good face to your community. Legendary Lawn Maintenance offers a full-service lawn maintenance program so that you don't have to worry about it. For more information, call Legendary Lawn Maintenance or visit their website for a free estimate and a survey of your lawn needs. Your results may just be legendary.